Comunicación. Ay, ay, ay. Caramba. Multi-stream, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm your captain for today. For the people that don't know, my name is Anthony. And I'm a legend. You know what I mean? I'm a fucking legend, yeah. Alright, ladies, welcome, welcome everybody. Come on in. I'm gonna copy this and notify basically the whole crew. Notify the whole crew that I'm live, yeah. At everyone, okay. Everyone. What's going on? I can't type anymore. Could I actually type ever? That's the question. Come on in. And if you don't, opportunity missed, huh? Yes, baby, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, 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 whoa, 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 what's going on? Let's make this thing. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Let's load more heat maps. Come on, server. Let's join. Shit. What's going on here? Yeah, there are the heat maps. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool, huh? Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Epileptical seizures. Ahmed, what's going on, man? Eventually, what's going on? Another one. Good day. Let's go. Gano, gorilla. That's what it is, man. I'm the market monkey. BDC, 80k. Let's go. It's good. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be here. So what's gonna do? We are going to fetch server-side configs for the markets. I'm gonna implement all the markets. Well, actually, they are almost implemented by bit. And all his friends, you know what I mean? Where you wanna trade, that's what's gonna be in here. But we're gonna fetch it live from the server. So we don't need to... We can push this live. We can push live configuration to the users. You know what I mean? Yeah, Odin was the right decision, of course. This thing is crazy. This thing is crazy. And wait, I need to find something. I'm going to use SimD. That would be an amazing stream. Not today, but we're going to use SimD to aggregate the whole heat maps. But it's going to be a secret. It's going to be a secret, baby. Does Wasm support SimD? Slim Shady. Here, I'm scripting. Using SimD with WebAssembly. Click. Enable vector size. We need to do some stuff, but it's gonna be fine. We're gonna see what's going on. SimD, baby. We're gonna make the fastest terminal ever on the fucking planet because you guys, quant traders or traders, of course, not the. You deserve tools that the hedge funds and all these other prop firms use. You deserve that as well. Okay? You deserve that. You do not deserve some web slop. We're gonna have a web version as well, no problem. But you do not deserve like this JavaScript slop. You don't deserve that. You do not deserve PineScript. No. You deserve your own language on fast WASM executable blobs on the server. Yes, that's what you deserve. Custom scripts, market making. You know what I mean? Straddles. Fast order executions, 900 orders, 1000 orders a second, no fucking problem, no lag, no nothing, because this is written with speed in mind. Speedos, para cientos para aquí. Gustavo Lima. Okay? And I'm doing that. I'm sacrificing myself to build the best thing out there. Bloomberg Terminal, garbage. TradingView, garbage. Garbage. Yes, baby! Alright. I'm starting to build MPAs with Go. What is an MPA? Hi, Anthony. How are you doing? Are there any student discount available for these in developing countries? I'm not building a course. This is an app. Right? So, if you think... I mean, think about it. Think about it first. Think about it first. Okay, cool. GG. Well played. So, what we're going to do here is... why are you using Neovim? Because today is a Neovim day. I don't know what it is. I'm getting bored, and if I'm getting bored, I need to use these things too. No, I just want to use it a little bit because I don't want to be a vibe coder. I don't want to be associated with cursor and all that stuff. As far as I remember, or one of our team members, one of the core crews, implemented a server-side server session in Golang. Golangos, context switching, no problem. Server config here, we sent that over the wire. And this is going to be a type server config. Where are types? We don't know. Types, Golang, press enter. Server. I'm gonna find it like this. Server config. Nowhere to be spotted. It's gonna be stream. Where can I find stuff? Damn. Where is everything? Where is everything, brothers? Stream config. Alright, good. Shit. One. The liquidations. Alright, let me context switch here. Where am I? Where is everything, man? Who organized this? Here. But Mansoor already did this. He's a legend. The thing is, he's a legend. He already put that in. That's crazy. How to get your Vim config? 49 euros. No, I will. It's yeah. I will post it on. I will post it. DM me on Discord. Join my Discord. Subscribe to my channel. Take a screenshot that you are subscribed, and I will send you the complete config and a big kiss and a signature. D Anthony GG. Forever. Big kiss. Loves. For Pramtham Meta. Okay, he's calling that a server config, right? Where is config then? We need to be very careful. Here, server config. I'm gonna call it server config. And that's gonna be in apples. Here. Server config. We do this right now. Gonna send us timeframes and markets. Right now it's hard coded. Hyperliquid. Okay. Listen, what we're gonna do is this. We go to main. Why is this broken? He already did this. Okay. He already did stuff. I like that. Now I need to find that. Server config. Handle config. That's not good. I don't like this. Handle config. I prefix everything. For example, app. Handle config. That's how we do this. But that's fine. Okay, I'm going back here because I don't know where this thing is. Here. You see? So it's important. In Golang you have this, right? In Golang you have func, app, pointer to app, right? Handle, config, right? Config in Golang. So you know that this function belongs to app, right? But this is syntactic sugar, right? Syntactic sugar, because basically it's just this, right? App. If you understand this, you're gonna make it in programming. In Odin we don't have that, but to make some kind of a... In C we do the same thing, right? We say db do this, app handle config, app render, app do this, app do that, app foo, app bar, app save book, app handle config. We're gonna have a payload. I don't like this. This is It's gonna be a lesson. It's no problem. Like, it's not bad, but I don't like it. So, well, it's not bad what's happening here. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. But I like to basically put everything here. I don't have any formatter. If somebody knows how to install well, I have OLS, but it's not formatting. It's annoying. Can you build a synthetic binary option prediction pricing engine? I don't know. Can I? If we have a server config, then we're gonna decode the payload data, yada yada, delete this thing. The problem is you could use here a temporary allocator. The problem is this is called in a separate thread. So we can't actually use... Well, we could, but it doesn't make sense. Never. So we deleted here, right? So the server config... Server config, return, handle config. App update server config, and then we can actually do this. The config in here, right? Now we go back here. Can you see this on the screen? App handle server config proc app payload config server config. Go back here. Use a mutexos smart. That's actually good. App server config is config. App config received is true. Pourquoi c'est... App update server config. And we don't need to return here. I need to rebuild my fucking Docker containers. Docker compose up min build min. This I'm from Belgium. Min. This is a min plus gedeeld door maal vermenigvuldigen. But it's actually dash. So I'm so sorry, guys. Docker compose up build minus D. Big D. What's going on here? I can't leave my wife works here. But that's true. What's going on here? What are you guys talking about? Chat? What's going on? I can't follow. How do you find a job in Europe or America if you live in Russia? Kalashnikovs. I can't leave my wife. But if you have data locally, can you show visually candles? Because in Odin, they are rendered a bit different. Because I'm checking timescale query. Ah! Wait. If you have data locally, can you show me visually? Yeah. Let's do that. Let's check the bug as well. Let's check the bug. Yes, received server configuration, 2 markets, 9 time frames. Mansoor? Probably not here because otherwise we already know. Thank you so much. Also have an auto binner, auto heatmap binner implemented. Yeah, I know the heatmap looks a little bit weird, but that doesn't really matter. I'm gonna push color maps as well, so you can be a fashionista like this, for example. Candlesticks, right? Be a fashionista. It's gonna be completely configurable, everything. But I'm cooking, you know what I mean? It's like what I'm gonna build doesn't exist, and that's a bad thing because that's probably. Dirk Huis, what's going on? I'm giving you a chance to create a synthetic pricing engine for a binary option. Yes. Okay. against every price. We can do that. So now, actually, first let's help Teddy with the query bug real quick. So the problem is going to be Teddy. Well, so there's actually no problem right now because let me actually kill these things. Because the 5 minutes, but you can't see it because I don't have enough candles. I don't have enough candles. But you're gonna see it in the volume. You're gonna see. I'm gonna do it tonight. I cannot show you, otherwise I need to. Actually, we can. Let's do it here. Let's do it right now. Go run main.go. That's not true, Anthony. Go run scripts. Go run history. Go run cmd history. Main.go dash min exchange dash symbol BTC Binance futures dash symbol BTC USDT data historical candles. Press enter. Do you know a good lib to create charts that may have a lot of customization? mGUI and implot. Fetching. Did you publish your Odin WebSocket package anywhere? Not yet. Not yet because it doesn't have TLS. It's actually not something to be proud of, but it works perfectly well. Okay. So now we have a shit ton of candles. So the problem is, oh man, look at this. Oh, and so fast. It's crazy, man. Let me do. Wait. Why don't we have? What's going on with this padding? Oh yeah, that's. Yeah, I fucked that up with the thingies. I will fix that later on, no worries. 5 minutes. But that's because we fetch way too much candles. Let me fix this real quick in settings. There is a bug in timescale, a timescale bug that I have no clue what's going on here. Fetch candles range length. Look, I'm gonna do 100 for example, right? So right now we're gonna fetch only 100 candles a time, I think. Is that correct? Why is volume so good? Because I fixed it. That's crazy. Wait, what's going on? We have a config, fetch candle range length. The question rather is, do we actually use that? That's the question. Maybe. What is fetch candle range length, and also probably in it. No. Switch time frame. Change time frame. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Let me do 1 hour maybe. I have no fucking clue. Does it just work? I don't know, Teddy. I don't know what to say. I have no clue. But one hundred and one. 101. 101. 101. It seems good. I don't know. Maybe double check, Teddy. Maybe double check. 1,000 candles at once, baby. That's what we do. So you're never gonna see. It's gonna fetch that basically behind the scenes, right? Users never gonna see any problems. And look at the VPVR. I basically have this aggregator that basically keeps it at the same. It's like an LOD system, but it's, you see it keeping at the same pixels. But I'm aggregating it on the fly because we can now. And it's, yeah, it's, otherwise it clips in each other. And now we aggregate the volumes on the fly. It's pretty amazing. Okay, cool. So that's fixed, kinda. Now the server. So basically, what we need to do is thank you USD for the synthetic binary option. Man, what is going on with your... Tell me... Okay, Samson, please tell me what's going on. Why do you want that and why is it so urgent? Tell me that first. What is going on? Because I want to understand why you are so thingy. What do you think about the dear... what do you think about dear MG styling options? Let's do not talk about the MGUI styling options. Because I can tell you that a lot of Rubyists and fashionistas are going to be very disappointed how you need to style this thing. So basically, global stylings I do all at once, right? That's easy. But like these custom stylings you need to do between renders, that's like pushing and popping. Makes a lot of sense. But it's like weird, but I don't really care, but a lot of people will. Or binary options is scam. No, it's gambling. Well, binary options are good for hedging. For hedging, right? I had this idea for a long time ago, a DeFi protocol with binary options, like under collateralized loans, where you have like two markets. You have like the loans market, right? Under collateralized, where you have also a binary options prediction market, bin options prediction market, right? And then you could basically predict on a loan if it's going to default, yes or no, right? And what you could do is you could basically invest in the pool, in long tokens basically, for the loan, which bags the loan, right? And then you could actually go into predict that the loan's gonna fail. You know what I mean? Like you could... I'm not gonna go in detail. I think I have this on my Patreon, the whole protocol of this explained in detail, how it works. The thing is, binary options is basically disallowed in the US and all that stuff, you know. Basically everything is disallowed, you know, crypto as well, most of the time. Just re-implement button. Nah, I don't do that. But for button you have global styles, right? You set the global styles. Okay, what are we doing here? But it could be that I'm using the MGUI a bit not idiomatic, because it's the first time I work with it, right? Little do I know how it works, huh? So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna kill where's our server config? Here. We're gonna do this. So we're gonna comment out. It's gonna crash. It's not. How is that even possible? Because we use the global variable. Yeah. Use global variable, huh? How is this possible? Welcome to MGUI. And it matters. These ifs, they matter. They matter so much. Especially if you have, for example, let's say you want to dog this into a top. And then you want to dog this into another top here. And then let's dog this into another top. So if you... one little mistake and the whole system just segfolds. So you need to be very careful with these things. So it really matters. Where's this config coming from, brother? App server config, but there is no server config, bro. I just deleted that. Wait a minute. It's already basically working. Can you imagine that? I didn't ask Mansoor to do this, but it's just working because he did it the correct way. Damn, what a chat. But the thing is, why do we have config received through? That's probably for the UI. Hola, what's going on here? That's fine. So we don't have a server config, right? Okay, that thing boots. That's goodie. So people argue that Dear MGUI isn't really suited for user-facing applications. It's mainly used for internal game engine tools. I assume that you don't agree with this. I don't know. It's like... Of course, it's not suitable for users if you see the classical MGUI interface. That looks like shit. Of course, that's for internal tooling. But I mean, why would this not be a good user interface, right? What's wrong with this? There's nothing wrong with this, right? Even if you wanna... I need to style these things, but there is nothing wrong with it, right? I mean... You see, that's a problem. My duck node splitting. I need to fix that as well. The only thing is where you need to be very careful with is the fact that this thing renders every frame, right? And that's CPU intensive. So why is it not good? So why do people say it's not good for user interfaces? Because you render every frame, right? Agree? So if you check what is a user interface, if we check about this, right? So we have a user interface, for example, a website, but you have your UI, right? Whatever you want to do, like you're watching Jelly Beans OnlyFans or something, you know what I mean? Just subscribed and you want to see all her videos. Hey, can't blame you, you know what I mean? Or Sophie Rain or something. You're just you're watching, or you're just reading. Okay, so there is no need to render 60 times a second, right? There's no need. There is no need to reprocess the whole state, right? Because it's just text, static text that doesn't change unless you click a button, and you need to go to a new page. But what I'm building, that's a real-time application, right? So what does that mean? It's a little bit different than a simple UI, right? Like a simple thing. It's like here, everything moves. Like all these things are happening. Of course, you render too fast. You know what I mean? You render basically like every 6.9 milliseconds, which is basically like 6 milliseconds too fast. But that doesn't really matter because the ticks are coming in at 10, 20 ms, right? So in this case, it doesn't really matter, right? Because people are zooming in, people are checking things, ticky, everything is sticking and blinking and flicking. So we need to update anyway, right? So that's why for my application, real-time systems, high-performance systems with a lot of state that we don't want to maintain in GUI is this shit. And if there are stuff that are basically high calculation intensive, for example, like aggregating these VPVR, actually that's okay-ish. But you see, each time we move or we zoom, then we need to aggregate, you know? That's something you can fix yourself, you know? I hope this gives you a clear understanding or my opinion or my narrative about GUI and immediate mode drawing tools. Immediate mode is very simple and is not suitable for user UIs that are static. But for these things, it's actually perfect, right? Does that make sense? So something that I actually want to wonder right now, I need to context switch between explanation and the app is crazy. But you learn that. You learn that over time. Mansoor has implemented this thing here. This thing, server config received. Can we please type in this thing? Config received. Nothing. We don't do nothing with this. So to be honest, let's do this. We're gonna do it a little bit different. So what I want to do is some kind of a login, a loading screen, right? No animation, yeah, but good luck implementing this in Flutter or in something else. I wish you the best. I wish you the best. These are three nested for loops that can be mitigated. I have no clue. Probably. No, they are not, because you render I don't have mods and I don't have a button to ban. It's insane and I'm too lazy. Give him one more chance. Okay, wait, where is the main render thing here? Actually, Actually, it's this. Man, what's going on? Can I please search for this frame? It's this. It's frame. Yeah, here's what we need. We cannot return here. That's a problem because this new Mac update. It's asking my password for updates. I don't want your updates, man. Leave me fucking alone. I'm a quant too. I have a gig from a client, but the issue is balancing inventory every millisecond. Yeah, that's the biggest problem market makers have. It's not the algorithms. It's not the profit. It's balancing assets across their exchanges. Don't want to use it defer. Okay, wait. Let me focus here real quick. Let's do this. If false, if true, can we please do this like that? Oh, it's no fucking auto formatter, man. If somebody can fix this for me, that would be nice. I just installed OLS, and normally in VS Code everything works, but here I cannot find the problem. Okay, cool. That's what we need. This screen is what we need here. But go to my Discord and we can discuss your discount and everything what you want to ask on Discord, man. I'm just busy right now. I'm working. Okay? Because like I said, it's student discount, but this is not a course. Right? That's the thing. So I just want to warn you. The app is already initialized, right? If app.serverconfig, but how can we check? Somebody needs to fix it. Somebody needs to fix OLS right now. I just can't sleep. Bro, Anthony ripped thousands of me as a pure student. I'm ripping all your money. But what you get is insane. I mean, I don't even understand. You guys, like, you go to school, you pay such money for school and all that stuff. You pay money for all these garbage fucking things. And I give you, like, real world things that actually fucking work and are hard to build. That are even teams of 5 to 10 people cannot build in a fucking year. I'm doing single-handedly, server, backend, everything. Rewrote this thing 2 times in Go, in Odin, and it all fucking works. Come on, bro. I should ask 5k for this. You know what I mean? Jesus Christ. What are you talking about? And if you think it's not true, this you cannot say anything. You cannot say anything about it. You cannot call me like a scuff or a fluff or a scam, because this is like the real fucking deal. You know what I mean? The real fucking deal. Walking the fucking talk. That's what I do. You know what I mean? Because I hate like these people that talk and they never fucking walk. I can smell these motherfuckers from far away, and I hate them. I'm lost. My mind is sipping margaritas on the beach. Where am I? If app config received. That's not gonna work because it doesn't exist. Server config received. Then we render. Right? Looks like a shorem. Time sleep is not going to be a good solution. Use the test. Odin and you, the best. Odin is amazing. This guy is talented. Yeah. Odin is, if I could have time to talk with somebody, it would be him. It would be him. This guy's crazy. Very crazy. He deserves more. But it's hard. What happens if the server is not connected? What happens, huh? App connect with server. Big crash. Oh, we rendered that. Oh, it cannot receive the config. That makes a lot of sense. It cannot receive the config, right? The thing is, what is this doing here? This is not getting called because we're not okay. This is like, who made this? This like, everything fits. Everything fits here. Join Go Charting. No, man. I'm here to break their ankles. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to build the technology they will all get a fucking boner from. You know what I mean? Like the biggest boner. Like sometimes you can have a boner that's so fucking hard that you think that's gonna explode. That boner is what I'm gonna build. Because what I have in my mind, which I'm gonna build probably next week or the week after, is going to be amazing. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take them all the Pine script writers, all the Trading View enjoyers, all the Okie Dokie lovers. I'm gonna take them all, man. That's what's gonna happen. Because we're gonna make a community so fucking big. And where people teach each other and we're gonna, you know what I mean? It's like this community to help people get better, but real shit, you know? No fucking garbage, like crap, like promises. No, real hustle. That's what we're gonna build. The best of the best. And I'm going to search for them, and I'm going to grab them, and I'm going to put them in my community and give everything for fucking free so the other guys that's still learning can learn from the best. I'm the Robin Hood. I steal from the rich and I give to the poor. That's what I'm gonna do, man. And I don't care about the rest in Silico. Go Charting. Doesn't really matter. They have my number. They have my email address. They can always send me a message. We can smoke Cuban cigars to discuss business. No problem at all. Because they can basically just delete all their team, hire me, and I fix it. And I can take 500k a year. You know? Something like that. That's an option. That's an option. I'm also very good in marketing. So they can 650k a year. And you can... Guys, I'm not... It's over the top, right? Okay, let's stop. Take it with a grain of salt. It's not true. That's not true. Sometimes I need to temper myself in my shenanigans. So what if we're not connected? So now we're going to draw something on the screen. What do we have in MGUI? What do we have? Let me actually copy these things here. Oh, what's going on? I'm going to copy these things. If app config server received. This can be rendered. Right? Format. Can somebody help me with the formatting, man? Okay, let's make this. And then we're going to press P. L. D. P. L. D. Made a mistake. Why does it not render? Is it because there is no dock space? Okay. Oh yeah, probably my yeah. What do we have? What can we do? What can we use? Let's see here. Widgets. Images. I don't know if you see it, but I see it already. I see it already, man. What is this? How does it called? A progress bar. That's what we need, guys. The progress bar. I'm doing a distributed file storage project for my resume project, and I will start applying your job soon. Bless me, my lord. Hey, man, you're doing great. Just keep going. Just keep going. And streaming on Twitch as well. Yes, yes, yes. Normally I do. Yeah, I'm streaming on Twitch. Yeah. Multi-streaming. I streamed on X as well, but the thing is, like, nobody's watching there. And so there were like 3 people watching me, and they were chatting they were talking, but I cannot see it. It's like, it's fine. Twitter is for shit posting only, huh? Do you have an idea handle volatility, exposure, binary options? Hawkies. Hawks. The Hawks algorithm. Ask Dirk. Ask Dirk. He's gonna explain what the Hawks algorithm is. And that's good. You can use that. No, I swear to God, the Hawks algorithm, this is no joke. The Hawks... Guys, I'm not joking, man. People think that I'm joking all the time. How could that be? Hawks algorithm. Hawks processes were introduced for the first time by Alan Hawks in 1971. He's probably still alive. They are mathematical model for these self-exciting processes in which the occurrence of an event increases the probability of occurrence of another event. Hey, again, with the occurrence of an event increases the probability of occurrence of another event. That basically means volatility, in my opinion, right? Big spike in big drop in price. What is the probability of the occurrence that the event will occur again, or something? I don't know. I never read it. I don't know what it is, but that's what it is. Hawkies, check that out. Could help you. mGUI. Let me kill the screen. mGUI.progressbar. Now we need to be very careful because the thing is these bindings. Okay, good. That's fine. That's fine. I also need to make sure that I what do we need here? We need a fraction, a size. How does it work? 50 mGUI Vecdos Cervezas, por favor. What is this? A size? Let's do 40. 40 is always a good number. No. And 300. And then we have null. What is that? The overlay. It's a C string. You know what? You know what's cool with mGUI is that if you fuck up, they have your back. You see this debug window? This debug window is basically a window they basically inject because you forgot to put the window on the stack. What a chat. What a chat. I can do this, right? And then shit. I need actually a container. Wait, I got an idea. Flags. I got an idea. In Odin we have this. It cannot do that. It's not type hinting me, but I make a mistake. mGUI and gonna work. Yes. How can we get rid of this? Jesus. If I buy Market Monkey, does it have any license restrictions? Yes. You cannot fab every day. You can't. Highly illegal. There are no restrictions, but you cannot use it commercially. There's someone picked challenge to build terminal and rest. Good luck with that, bro. Once you have like 2 widgets on the screen, I'm already sipping margaritas in Bangkok. You know what I mean? Good luck with that. It's not about the terminal, right? The terminal, building the terminal is easy. It's knowing it's the server and all that stuff. Server and the whole shebang. Maintaining these order books. It's not only drawing some stuff on the screen. Everybody can do that. The biggest idiot can do this. It's the whole stuff. Guys. And then you need to find people and marketing and business and legal, and guys, you have no fucking clue. You need to be Anthony GG. Or something in the similar. How are you gonna do this? Wait, actually, hi DPE. $24. You can also just do something you can also do something different. So what I do not understand is like I am public on the internet. I have quite some following, right? I'm not the biggest one, but I'm also not a nobody, huh? And I'm very accessible by my community, right? I'm actually very accessible. People can just ask me and I'm talking shit and helping them. I'm very, very, very accessible, right? But everybody's like, oh, and I'm gonna build it, and I'm gonna build something similar, and this and that, and it's like, they live on their own island, see me building this, not basically realizing that, hey, but what if we just ask him, like, listen, like, I know a lot of trading and I did these things before, but it didn't work out, or can I help you? Can I just help you, and maybe I can find people, and maybe we can build this like, try to do business with me, like, get a stake in this thing. Nobody does this. Nobody. And I cannot imagine why that is. Like, you have the opportunity to be somewhere involved in something big, or not. We don't know. We don't know. That's. Nobody actually has the balls to come to me and say, hey, listen, bro. Like, we do this thing with our firm, but we are just starting out, yada, yada, yada. Hey, let's just collaborate together and buy 10 Lamborghini Urus in 5 years. Nobody does this. And I cannot believe that. Why? Why is that? Because the ego of people, the ego of developers, the developer mindset is what blocking you from being somewhat successful in your life. Because you think about yourself. And I'm somebody that I can smell people. I can smell good people. I can smell good people. Because I've been fucked in the ass a million times in my life by other people. So now I actually can see if people are legit or not. Nobody does that. So I don't know why. I don't know why. I think you should have the balls. If you're somewhat experienced and you should have the balls to do that, because these opportunities can change your life. And it's not with me, for example. It could be during your whole life. There are some opportunities you could seize, but you don't. That's the thing. There's no LSP in Odin, right? Yeah, there is, but the auto formatter doesn't work here because I don't know how to set it up. But aren't you watched by great people, not compatible? Yeah, of course. I'm not watched by these people, but I mean, it doesn't. Everybody starts somewhere. You know what I mean? When I was 15 years ago, who the fuck was I? I was nothing. I was like, I need to be very careful what I say. I was just doing stuff. I mean, nothing special, you know? It's just like I looked for opportunities and I was not afraid to take them. You know what I mean? Like you, exactly. I was just a normal guy, and I still am. I'm just like the normalest guy where you're gonna go to the bar, drink some beers, and probably end up in a fight, and wake up with a blue eye, because we took it too far with some people there. You know, we are just normal people. There's nothing different, right? I'm not special. I'm definitely not smarter. I'm actually not the smartest kid on the block. But I believe in myself, and you should do too. Believe in yourself, of course. Okay, what are we doing here? These fucking fonts, right? XL. We're gonna use this extra large font. Wait, how did they... I'm gonna actually... Fuck this. I'm gonna ask Cloud here. Real quick to ask to do that. Make... I'm gonna give him some context because he's not gonna know what's going on. Here. Render me a progress, a loading thingy, middle of the screen, no borders. You know. That's why I'm so bad in AI, because I'm too lazy to make a good context. I'm too lazy to be a vibe coder. Bro. I still wonder how how you guys do that. I swear to God. What the fuck was that? I mean, it's mGUI. I mean, it's reading mGUI, it's reading ISCII pressed, show debug window, it's reading that. If it cannot comprehend that this... Hey, I'm sorry, but... Yeah, this is what we need. Display size. mGUI get main view. Oh! I didn't know about this function. But that, you see, that's AI is pretty amazing for that. So you wanna... It needs to be centered, and you have no fucking clue how to figure that stuff out. That's so annoying, like centering a thing and you need to divide it by 2, minus, you forgot that again and again. That's bullshit. And now it's viewport. I would use like Sokol app dimensions, but... let's just copy this thing. I would say, wait, what's going on here? Render loading screen. Okay, let's do that. Nice syntax highlighting, by the way. Let's do that real quick. Ah, yeah. This function, man. I'm dying. Ja, het was te denken, hè? Mismatch types in binary expression. Of course, the thing is, I cannot do... Okay, main viewport. Okay, it's not gonna give problems because we have not the best bindings. Delete the comments so nobody fucking knows you're using AI. Wait, what is this? An int. And what is this? F32. So you could say, okay, I'm gonna do this. It's not gonna work because that's gonna be an F64. So we need to do this. F32. F32. GG. Loading screen. Ish. No. Yes. No. Yes. Frame. Here. MGUI, yada 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 yada, render. Loading screen. Oh, there's a progress. 100%. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So how did they do that? How did they implement it in look at this. How the hell did they do that? I'm confused here. How did they do this? Somebody needs to go. Delta T. I don't want to figure it out. Somebody needs to find this on GitHub. MGUI, demo window, progress bar, and see how they do it. It's probably like in Delta T thingy, and then they shift it over time. But we can do that later on. I don't want to hassle with that right now. Render loading screen. Let's do it like that. How can we actually render text in this thing? Overlay. Do you think? What do you think, guys? If you see this like overlay, we were thinking about this a couple minutes ago, right? And it's a C string, which basically means two things: trouble and text. Connecting to server. Voila! Why don't you center that, man? Why wouldn't you center this? Makes no fucking sense. Man, can somebody delete this demo window for now, please? Please? I'm recording a macro as well, for no reason at all. Go back to frame because it's frame like this. I'm so lazy and so bad at Vim. So we're gonna do it like that, and I'm just gonna connect it here, right? It's so, everything is so fast that we don't see anything, but you know what I mean? I hate Rust, that's why I'm here. Fuck Rust. Anthony, okay, have got you. Let's collaborate on the project. Then how can I get to you? Man, but where are you from, man? Speak English. I hate Rust. I tried to discuss with him why also should pick Golang and Odin, but he don't listen. What are we talking about here? I'm not sure. Alex Storm. Wait. Nitro, I missed. I think I'm missing some things. He mentioned that Market Monkey is not truly open source. He said he plans to build a better version with his community and make it open source with no license restrictions. But who is that? Are people talking about? People are talking about Market Monkey already, right? Who is this? Give his name. He can put his whole community on it, like 50 developers. They still not gonna. They still gonna fail, man. They just can't. They can't, man. They can try. They can try, but they can't. They fucking can't. I just want to know his name, actually. Alex Storm. Never heard of this. Who the fuck is that guy, huh? This guy. Looks like a fucking One Direction thing. Alex Sturma! Where can I find Alex Storm, man? Where is Alex Storm? It's not this guy, right? No, he's not. That's his. Tell me who is Alex Storm. Alex Sturma. Der Sturm der Liebe. On X. Oh, okay. Alexander de Croo. I'm sorry. Alexander de Croo is basically... man, there are like 1 million Alex Storms. No, can I? This is smarter. What am I doing here? Maybe we accidentally add some kind of a OnlyFans bot or something is going loco, sending me like a... Okay, I'm lost. She day. Yeah, I know, guys, listen. So, I know this. I know. Has format on safe. I know, that's what I'm using. But it's not working. Do you think I'm gonna post something on Twitter if I do not search for this myself for hours? Yeah, I'm using this. It's fine. Keep calm, Anthony. It's just a guy helping you out. Man, don't be... anyway, it doesn't really matter. Alex Storm, we cannot find him. If nobody can, he's nobody, so he will stay. It's fine. Just... what about Alex Storm, Market Monkey? Market Monkey is not gonna be on YouTube, bro. It's not gonna be on Google yet. So many. I want to know now. I want to know this fucking Alex Storm. You see, this is so cool in markets. You see this all the time, right? Like this bouncing ball that basically gets. This is something real, right? What is this heat map so fucking scuffed? Let me load more of these things because that's fine. There's like this bouncing bally. What is this? Oh yeah, my server went off here. Like there's momentum, and at a certain point of time, it's gonna choose some direction. Of course, what it's gonna be? Hey, I don't know. Hey, I don't fucking know, man. But like this momentum is going to Newton's law, man. Stop using like triangles and all that stuff. Newton's law. You know what I mean? Okay, nobody finds Alex Storm. It's fine. Let him live in his fantasy. You know what I mean? Let him live in his fantasies. Fantasios. Why can't I not do anything? My whole thing is broken here. Building the Bloomberg terminal. What is the best mobile option price? Yeah, Mansoor is here, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Mansoor. Thank you so much. Yeah, I changed a little bit. Just a little bit. The only thing I changed basically is handling the decode JSON marshalling inside of this thing instead of on the thingy. But it works. We also have a loader and all that stuff, but it's so fast that actually you see the loader is already gone. That it's already yeah. What's going on? Oh, here they are. You see my auto binner? The auto binner, man. Auto binning. Look at that. It works perfectly. Ask Alex Storm to make how he's gonna make his auto binner. Yes. And tomorrow we basically aggregate these bins configurable by you on the client with SimD. Ask Alex Storm to do that with his team. It's not gonna happen because you never know what SimShadyD means. Look at this binning. The binning works perfectly. Perfect bins. Perfect binnings, bro. Look at that. Perfect bins. Perfect VPVRs. Perfect everything. You know what I mean? What is this? It's LTC. I was thinking like it's not moving, but it's LTC. Of course not. Of course not, man. Actually. Are they using real market data? No, it's generated by AI on the fly. MCP server generating me this data. Server is broken. 100%. You see, I knew it. But at least allee, come on, jongen! Consumers, Binance F, that's what it is. Min F. It's a fucking Binance again. I need two of them. Sometimes Binance is annoying and then it's kicking you out of the stream all the fucking time. And I'm reconnecting though, but oh man, I'm itching. Something is itching. It's my ankle, man. Like I'm bitten by a mosquito. So it's pretty annoying. You see, now it works again, right? Buenos. Why are we not connecting? What's going on? Maybe server down. I'm gonna do this. Docker, compose, up, restart actually. Yeah. Bitten by a gopher. Yeah, but I'm using Go. Look here. Go file. Right here. There's a Go file open. Hey, there's a Go file open, bro. I'm hacked. I'm hacked. My server is hacked. Locally. I'm locally hacked. I need to fix my range here. Look at that. I need to go way here before it actually starts loading these things. Because it's I need to fix that. Look what I said. Momentum. Wrecked. I swear to God, if you are a trader and you want to do risk, I would short here, guys. I would short here right now. I would short, and I would take the short. I would take it, pinpoint it real quick. This level. Here. Quick win. Just a quick scalp. A quick scalp here. Quick scalp. You would see it. Just make sure there's confirmation here in this volume. But I don't know, my heat maps are broken. Probably it's gone. Volume is gone. But hey, I'm not a financial advisor and I cannot trade. You know what I mean? I'm an old man. Anyway, MCV. Do people usually speak English in Belgium? No, they don't. They speak Vlaams or French. Why is this offset, man? Do you think we had too much streams open? No, it's impossible because no, it's not. It's already open, right? It's already open. Nice trade, man. You're already. We're already done. Wait, let me double check. Alacrity. Can I not open another Alacrity window? That's weird. It's like. Let's do this then. Why not? Binance F. This one. You see it's doing that. I can see it on the trades. And now I'm reconnected. I'm getting yeeted all the time here. And that's probably sometimes I have that if I work long on Market Monkey during the day and I'm trying to reboot the app to test, it's going to at a certain point of time, sometimes it's you see it's happening again. Sometimes it feels like that I'm some kind of a shadow band on this connection and it's kicking me out all the fucking time. And then the day after it's gone again. So that's annoying. So I need to fix that. You see? But we reconnect all the time. Reconnect. So something that I also implemented. Look at that, how responsive this is. What the hell is that? Windows Manager, bro. Look at this, crazy. Anyway, so what I'm also starting to implement, because for the server-side scripting engine, is the... What was going on in each chart? Add layer. Widget. Is this. That, Anthony, that's the wrong function, man. That's the wrong function. Okay, init. Go back to the top, brother. What are you doing here? Here's what you need to be. So, I've made. You see this Binance thing is annoying. Okay, you see what I did here? I made this custom implementation of an indicator field, right? Which is gonna share the same. It's gonna share the same. I need to fix this thing, but it's gonna share the same x-axis, right? If you move this, this is gonna move as well. And I implemented this splitter thingy. You can see this going local because it's aggregated on the fly. So you can have multiple indicators here. Normally, actually, to be honest, let me test that. I think I can do that, right? Conflicting ID, yeah, I understand. That's fucked up. But why? I think, is it naming confliction? Oh my god! Let me see what's going on. I never tested this with more than 2. More than 2. I love you. Being chill, man. Main plot. Problem is gonna be here somewhere. Here. Indicator plot. Indicator. Is it a splitter maybe? Okay, man. I need to. It's so annoying. I need to pee. You're already liquidated, yeah. Take my money. Take all my money! Imagine that this was a trade, like I'm a trader or something, and I technical analysis, and I call this out on stream for my followers, for my paid group, and I get wrecked. Imagine that, brother. Only fans. I'm thinking, what could be? This is. I think this is like. This is a fucking C string, brother. Nobody wants to fucking. Nobody wants to mess with the C string, because I need to. I will figure it out which one it is. It's either gonna be duplicated, one of these 3, or all of these 3 gonna be duplicated. I need to make sure there's like an index appended or something. You know what I mean? So I can have multiple of these indicators beneath each other, below each other. And my goal is basically to, I don't even think I'm gonna write the indicators in the front end as well, because we're gonna have this wasm thingy. You know what I mean, brother? Maybe this just started that, right? This is what they call a special name, huh, Dirk? Look at this. When in doubt, zoom in. I need 30 minutes. Look, guys, look at that. Who can do this? What application can do it that fast? Oh shit! 1 second. 5 seconds actually. What application can do it this fast? Like, I'm switching time frames like nothing. You know what I mean? Switching time frames like masturbating. You know what I mean? Okay, so very important this, guys. I am going to use the Tech Traders Discord as the community of Market Monkey. So are we changing that actually, to be honest? Because we're gonna here, Market Monkey, Discord. Still the same fucking things. That's fine. Okay. Important. But I will, if you follow me already on my Twitter, I'm gonna make this announcement so you can join this community. That would be amazing to have you guys in, especially of course if you don't care about trading. Just stay in my Discord, you know what I mean? It's fine for programming. But if you wanna learn more about this and you wanna make the community, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, right? Then you need to join it definitely. I'm gonna make a post about that, so you can just click the Discord link. I mean, you already have like just a server, more it's not a big deal, right? That's that. I'm gonna quit the stream a little bit early today because I need to pee and all that stuff. It's just like I'm completely exhausted as well. But of course, thank you so much. Unless there are some questions, you can ask me right now. I can stay a little bit to ask some questions. Why not? That's good. That's good. I will do that. There's no hyperliquid stats because they don't actually. Let me actually see how many licks. Not too much. Wait, was that? They have a minimum size? That's annoying. Do you not use is it hard and nice plugins for it? Yeah. Okay, no questions. Perfectly fine. It's all good, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being on the stream here. I really need to empty my bladder. Like I said, join the Discord community. Give me... I would appreciate if you just like or subscribe. That would be amazing. You're going to help me a lot. And I wish you a very, very, very good day. Evening.